Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a salmon fillet in a white wine reduction. Salmon is easily one of my favorite fish, and today we're going to top it off with a rich and brightly flavored, almost effervescent white wine reduction sauce. Let's take a look at what we're going to need to make that, okay? For this recipe, you are obviously going to need to start with a salmon fillet. I recommend wild salmon, but you can get farmed salmon as well. You're also going to need a half cup, that's about 120 milliliters, of white wine. I am using an Italian Orvieto. You're also going to need about 20 to 30 grams of butter, salt, pepper, dill, and tarragon. You can also add the juice from a quarter lime if desired. You basically start by preparing this recipe in two parts, the white wine reduction and the salmon fillet, which you then put together at the end. Start by seasoning both sides of your salmon fillet with salt and pepper. I should probably take this opportunity to point out that this salmon fillet has already been scaled. Most salmon fillets that you buy in the grocery store will be scaled already, but you want to make sure that the scales have been removed first. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, add your white wine, dill, and tarragon. Turn the heat on to medium-high, let it come to a simmer, and allow it to reduce to about half. Allowing the wine to reduce to about half does take a little bit of time, so I'll see you on the other side. Alright, the wine has reduced to about half. It's time to prepare it so we can add the salmon fillet. Add your butter, and allow it to melt. Give it a quick swirl or stir to make sure the butter and the wine are well mixed together. Reduce your heat to medium and add your salmon fillet for 4 to 5 minutes per side until it is opaque all the way through. Once the salmon is opaque all the way through, you can go ahead and remove it from heat. Put it on a plate and drizzle the remaining reduction over top. Some people like to have a nice crispy skin to eat on the salmon fillet. Personally, I don't like eating the skin, so I don't have any tips as far as that's concerned, but I'm sure you can find them elsewhere. Today I'm serving my salmon fillet in a white wine reduction with smashed potatoes and creamed peas. And there you have it, a wonderfully rich and effervescent salmon fillet in a white wine reduction sauce. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.